Yes, thank you, my brothers and sisters. Thank you, friends and well wishers. I will not forget to use this opportunity to say thank you for you, all my fans, wherever you are, all over the world. I dodge my cap for you. You are wonderful. I take the cap away. I took it away. I remove it. I doff it. I doff my cap. Off. It's gone. You are wonderful. You are wonderful. It is because of your inspiration, because of your support. This is why wherever I am, I think, what can I do to make my people happy? What can I do to keep my fans going? What can I do in order not to keep them waiting too much?